Next would be the array orientation and the array direction. So orientation is basically whether you will face it to the south or the north, and the direction or the angle of the tilt would be what angle, at which angle will you place the solar panels. Next is the plane of array irradiation. This is the total irradiation that we just spoke about falling onto the surface of the panel. So basically the plane of array would be the angle at which the maximum solar energy would be obtained. So the tilt angle would be dependent on the plane of array. And the last would be the shading, soiling and the reflection. So if there is some specific shading, that is if there are some trees, there are some buildings beside which the solar panel has to be installed, then there would be a shadow falling onto the surface of the panel and the light will decrease. So the output of the solar panel will also decrease. So we need to check that and change the direction and the orientation of the panels to again increase the production from it. So these are the basic factors that you consider for the weather and the ambient conditions for the solar photovoltaic design.